Good morning, class. Today I'm going to show you how to create a drawing in your Google Drive. So in order to do this, the first thing you have to do is log into your Google account and then come up here to your Apps button and go to your Google Drive, which remember this is your online storage folder. Once you get into your Google Drive, you're going to click on New and then come down here to where it says More and select Google Drawings. This is a program that will allow you to draw pictures that we can then put into your stories, your spreadsheets, in your portfolio, and PowerPoint presentations. They can go lots of different places. For your first assignment, I want you to create a picture that depicts something that you thought was important from the video we watched, Our Friend Martin. We will be including this picture on our Google portfolio with your video reflection. So some of the tools here, just like in every Google application, you have your undo and your redo buttons. So if you ever make a mistake, you can click that undo button. The ones you will be using the most to draw your picture are the shapes. So you can play around with using different shapes, different lines, and if you need to include text, you would use this text box. So if I wanted to draw a figure, I might start here with the happy face, and I can just click and drag, and that will appear on my face. Now this video wasn't entirely happy, so once I click on that image and I see that yellow dot, I could even drag that yellow dot and turn that into a sad face. If I want to change the color of the face, I can go up here to the color tools and select whatever tone I would like. I can go back to my shapes and create a body for my figure. Back to my shapes, I can create legs. Remember, you do have your copy and paste tool, so if you like the shape of this leg, you can just come here to your edit tool, say copy, and then say paste, and it will duplicate that shape for you. And you can drag it over there. I can paste that again, and I can move it up here and create an arm if I want. This tool up here allows you to rotate the shapes. So I want you to spend some time playing with these images, learning how to draw different shapes and how to put them together into an image. Once you have a figure all created, I'm going to show you how to group this whole image as one piece. So I'm holding down the control button on my keyboard, and you can see as I select each piece that makes up this body, that blue box around it is getting bigger. Once I've selected all the pieces I like, I'm going to come here to the Arrange menu and click Group. Now what that does is it keeps this all together as one group now instead of individual pieces. And I can make this figure smaller, wider. I can even copy this whole group and paste it if I want to have more figures. So that is a time-saving tool. Before you finish, you want to make sure you title your drawing. So I'm going to call this Our Friend Martin Video Reflection. And remember, this is Google, so it's going to automatically save for you, and it will be saved in your drive. I can come back here to my Google Drive where I would see if I have a lot of things in my drive, so I'm not going to see everything all at once. I can see there's my drawing right there. I'm going to show you an example. This is one that I created, so you can see the possibilities. So have fun with this project. We will be doing more Google videos, and enjoy.